even there. Hey, that works. This is called EScribe AI and also eScribe 2.0. So it creates ebooks and does it through AI. And this is the best, the top one that you can get right now. It's not going to be a $7 PDF. It's a $41 piece of software that creates ebooks for you and then sells them. So let's go look inside and I'll show you what we've got going on here. This is the #1 seller right now, so you know it's good. Up to 80,000 words, leader sales pages, images, and all inside one powerful AI platform. So this creates your ebooks in 3 clicks. I'm going to scroll through the video. Blah, blah, blah. They're selling stuff. I want to go down a little bit further here. Sorry. Oh, I need to go way down. All right, let's go through all the description of it right down to about there. This is what I wanted to find. So this just gives you an idea what's included. So here we go. Full system, 1 million credits for creating ebooks and so on. Lead and sales page creator, autoresponder integration, payment, unlimited images, ebook empire blueprint, which shows you how to create them and sell them. There's some bonuses here about Kindle and Amazon and how to make 1 book or 10 books from one. You get the idea. How to promote your book, the whole 9 yards. For all of that, $41. I'm going to scroll to the very top again and just leave you looking at this part. Or maybe, oh, I'm really not finding a good spot for you at all, am I? There, that's where I want it to be. This is more than just an AI writer. Here we go. This is the part I wanted to show you here. 150 plus fiction and non-fiction genres, design the sales or lead pages, drag and drop. AI writes your page content, add unlimited images, content grammar checker, headers, footers, page numbers, terms, TOC. You can export it, you get payments, connect autoresponders, the whole 9 yards. It really is set up to do everything you need to do to make money creating and selling ebooks. So it's $41. The link is in the video description. Click the link and check it out. I'm Andrew Larter from marketingsharks.com. This is called eScribe AI or eScribe 2.0. Enjoy. Go check it out. The link's in the video description.